ma'am. Good morning. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Jennifer Echineke. I am 31 years old. I live in Bayanga, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines.
So, what is your marital status?
I am a single mother of two kids.
How old
Uh,
are they?
One is 6 years old and the other is 4 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We have four siblings in the house, in the family.
So, what is your order in the family?
I am the eldest.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am undergraduate at Liceo de Cagayan University with a course of mass communication.
Okay, so what's the reason why you're not able to finish your study, ma'am?
Due to financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have any work experience abroad because this is my first time applying abroad.
But you have local experience?
Yes, ma'am, I have local experience.
For how many years, ma'am?
For 2 years.
Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities?
Uh, when I wake up in the morning, I prepare first the breakfast of the children. And after that, when the children woke up, I take them a bath and dressing them up, and then bring them to school. And after that, I clean the house and prepare for lunch and dinner.
Okay, so how old are the children, ma'am?
He is 4 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and responsible person. I am patient and I can do household chores, taking care of children and taking care of pets too.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I have a tattoo in my body in my ankle part.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. I undergone surgery when I gave birth to my first child due to cesarean section
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
to support my family and my child.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I'm not scared of dogs and cats. In fact, I love them.
Okay. Can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Um, I will read them books and I will play with them.
So what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, I will do my best to be a good worker and I I will be responsible and hardworking.
Okay, so that's all, ma'am.
That's all, mom. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.